Another interesting but also difficult case in which I was involved, I represented a young boy who was playing on property that was owned by his grandfather, but actually his daughter was renting it from him. And as he was playing on the property, a tailgate from a trailer struck him on the head, causing him to sustain a very serious brain injury. And this was a trailer that would be used to haul an ATV. And we were retained to investigate this claim and try to obtain a recovery on behalf of the young child. And the grandfather was very supportive of us making a claim against him because he was the owner of the trailer. And he had multiple insurance policies, but all of them denied coverage and were not willing to offer compensation to the young boy who had sustained very serious injuries. And we actually filed a lawsuit and went into court, and the lawsuit was actually against the insurance company trying to get coverage under one of the policies. He had a homeowner's policy that would not cover the claim because he actually didn't live there, and they claimed there was no coverage under a homeowner's policy because it involved a motor vehicle. And he also had a motor vehicle policy, and they denied coverage, saying that this cart wasn't in fact a motor vehicle because it wasn't registered to be used on the roadway. But he had a general liability policy, and we filed a lawsuit against that insurance company and tried the case before a jury, and were successful in obtaining a recovery because the policy language provided that if he used this property in connection with his residence, that there would be coverage. And because the grandfather in fact had stored some of his vehicles and personal property at this location, we were successful in obtaining a recovery before a jury, and they found in our favor, and the young boy was compensated for the very serious injuries that he sustained.